Hi guys, we're going to be doing quite a lot of work on time over the next few weeks, the next 2 weeks. So by the end of it, hopefully you will be really good at telling the time. So we have your clock, so you'll need your clock for this lesson. We've already had a little bit of a practice in Google Meets. So obviously the time here is 7 o'clock. The small hand is on the 7 and the big hand is on the 12. And you always have to be careful the difference. The hour hand is smaller than the minute hand. And obviously the minute hand goes around quicker than the hour hand, okay? Now, the minute hand goes around in fives, and I think most of you on your clock have got your 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on, your minutes. All right, and you all know your multiples of 5 easily, so it's just review. So we've got 8 o'clock, and then we'd have 5 past 8 or 8:05, 8:10, 8:15, 8:20, 8:25, 8:30. Now if you can see, the small hand is starting to move. It's still 8, but it's starting to move towards the 9 because that's 8 hours and 30 minutes. So it's actually 8.5. Then we have 8:35, 8:40, 8:45. Can you see? It's going towards the 9, but it's still 8. 8:50, 8:55, 9 o'clock. All right? So all I want you to do today is you've got a list of times here. Now you can either print this list out or just have it on your screen and do it. Do each one as you go along, okay? And mentally check it off. Or you can just write them down on your whiteboard and check them off as you do it, okay? So the first one is 3 o'clock. So basically with my clock, I just find 3 o'clock. Go round, around, around very gently, and there's 3 o'clock. Check. The next one says 7 o'clock. So I go around, 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 around to 7 o'clock. Easy. Let's skip a few. Number 5 says 10:30. You're not going to skip them, but I am. So 10:30. So I basically have my hour hand to 10. Now it's 10:30. So as you can see, that hour hand is going past the 10. It's not 11:30, it's 10:30. And that's the mistake that sometimes children make. They think it's 11:30 because it's going towards 11. No, it's 10 hours and 30 minutes, okay? I'll skip another one. 12:45. So there's my 12, so I'm going to go towards my 12. However, I'm going to go past my 12 to 12:45. Okay, it's 12 and 45 minutes. So it's not 1 yet, it's not 1 o'clock yet. All right, so you will basically, with your hands-on clock, do every single time. If you've got someone there to check for you, wonderful. But if you haven't, you can just do it yourself. Go through each one and check them as you do them. Or mentally, if they're on your screen and you haven't got a printer, mentally check them as you do them. Okay? See you later.